So the email client which we are going to discuss about today is Mailchimp. So one of the platform which is offered for free to send emails to our database or clients. Okay, it allows sending email up to 2000 contacts, up to 2000 email database and contacts. And of course, if you want to go beyond 2000, okay, then you have to purchase their paid membership program. Okay, so this is number one. So most probably, while watching this video, if you want to create a Mailchimp account, I will be giving the link in the description so that you can use it. Anyways, so what I'm going to do right now is I am going to define you rather than defining. Okay, what is this? Okay, it's not Mailchimp, it is actually Mailchimp. I think I have to share my screen, I believe. Yes,
Yes.
I'm doing it now. Done. So it's actually Mailchimp. Okay. So email client tool used for sending professional emails to the database of clients. Okay. So that is it. So an email client tool used for sending professional email to the database of clients. Actually, so we can try sending emails using this tool and get hands-on practice. Okay, and get hands-on practice. Okay, you can also do it for a small scale businesses or limited, which means like where you don't need to send emails to bulk audiences. Okay, so in those scenarios, okay, you can use this particular tool, Mailchimp. So you can go ahead, just click on or search for Mailchimp in Google. Potentially, you will get lots of advertisements. Okay, of course, when I said about Mailchimp, there is another tool also called Send in Blue. Okay, of course, there are several tools, but let's not discuss about all the tools over here. Okay, let's discuss about Mailchimp. Okay, so this is the interface of Mailchimp. Actually, they have made it so beautiful in recent times. Okay, so so you can pick up a plan, something like that. So login. If you have an account, you can log in. Otherwise, you can go ahead and click on the sign up button. Basically, so welcome to Mailchimp. So please enter your email address. I have it like this. I'm not sure whether I have an account with this or not, but I'm sending it for the first time. I mean, this email address. I have an account with another email address. Okay. Any which ways. So I'm entering my preferred password. I'm entering my email address, number, and click on the sign up button. Okay. So now sign up. Now what happens with very basic information? Okay, I could able to give this one. Okay, so what do they say? Okay, role based addresses like admin and not all. So please use a different. Okay, so my email address says admin@amadhakumar.com. So they do not want to send an email like role based one. So might be used for marketing or aggressively used or something like that. Okay, instead I could have something like a username like amadhakumar@amadhakumar.com. So anyways, those they decided not to allow me, so I'm going to use a different email address. Okay, amadhan0907 gmail.com. Okay, sign up. Now it says okay. Please check your entry. And another is okay. The username remains the same. Okay, so let me make it as Amudha Raju. I think the username shouldn't be having a space. So username should not have a space. So I can have it as Kumar. If I want to add my last name, I have to leave a space. Okay, I'll go with hyphen. Let us see what happens. And click on sign up again. So please check your entry. Either be an email address or consistent letter of numbers. Okay, so let me use the email address itself as a name. Okay, username. So here I'm using my email and also my username as email address. Now, like this, when you are trying to create an account, okay, every time you will have some challenges, but make sure that you treat all those challenges and have your issues resolved. Okay, so it seems like we have sent you an email to this email address, and please activate your account. Okay, so let me check it out. I think I have received the email. So just to make sure that I don't get confused, let me go to my Gmail account on my phone to verify the same. Okay. Otherwise, I have to switch my account by accessing Gmail here. Okay, so this will go to admin@amudha.com. Okay. I received the email. Okay, let me try to switch this account to this one. Yeah. Okay. So activate your Mailchimp account. Now, so click on activate your account. Automatically, it will be taken to the Mailchimp interface. Okay. So I'm ready to go for. Okay. So we need to confirm you are of the human sort. Okay. So I said them I'm not a robot also. So we have signed up with the email address. Okay. We have signed up with the uh, email which is not with admin roles. Like this, we can also create an account. Then we received a confirmation email to the email. Then we activated the particular link by clicking on it. So by doing this process, okay, the Mailchimp team verifies that the email address entered by the user is valid. Why? Because he could able to click on the verification link that was sent to them. Okay, so which means he has access to the email and he is the owner and the email actually exists. Okay, if you give an email that is not existing, okay, now that will not be of valid, and you cannot validate the login and the verification button. Okay, so go ahead, so click on login. So automatically what happens here, the account that we created with Mailchimp is successfully done. It says there is a premium, there is standard, essentials, and free. To give it a try, okay, so you go ahead and take up this free account where you can add up to 2000 contacts and you can send emails to those 2000 contacts. Okay, so this is a free plan is what we have chosen. You can choose a plan of your choice after signing up and creating an account with Mailchimp. Okay, it is next. Now it is a time to fill your profile information. Remember, wherever you go, you should make sure that you fill your profile information completely. Okay, so Amudha Kumar Raju, business name. Okay, so online digital marketing trainer. Okay, so let me say professional digital marketing trainer. And if you have a website, if so, https colon www.amudhakumar.com. It's not only amudhakumar.com you can use, you can also use your .blogspot.com if you have one, right? So there is something like import my brand, so they are giving some options. Okay, okay. So which means the website amudhakumar.com is my own, and if I take any information, message, or image from those website, I can use it for marketing purposes. And it says the phone number which is optional. When it says optional, if you want you give, otherwise it's okay. Okay, so It's okay for Mailchimp to call about special offers and services. If you want to receive the call, select this button. Otherwise, simply go ahead and continue. Okay, and it is asking addresses. Okay, so you can also enter your addresses. Okay, so the place where I'm sitting in right now. So now you look at this one, because I frequently use online forms to fill the address details and all the stuff. Chrome has a inbuilt feature of suggesting me the addresses whenever I click on a box named address. So it is basically called the autofill. Okay, so this is the technology which is used with the browser. It is the technology called cache memory or the temporary memory, which will save your data and suggest you in the future. So it is easy for you. Okay, it saves time for you. Okay, so here it is, and I click on this. All the details are filled and they are really good, so I don't need to validate anymore. So let me go ahead, continue. Okay, so the address is filled. Now it says, do you have a list of contacts? Okay, now if you have a contact list which is ready made already with you, you can select yes. So that it is going to ask you, okay, how much is the size of your contact, and tell me 500 or less, 501 or 2001. Remember, you are in a free plan, so you can import only maximum of 2000 email. Okay, or 500 or less or something like that. Or if you don't have your contacts ready made right now, you can select no. Yeah, I don't have a contact, which means, so later, okay, after creating your account, you can go ahead and add your contacts to Mailchimp. There's something like I'm not sure, which means like I don't know why I'm creating an account with Mailchimp, something like that. Okay, so right now we will select no and we will continue. If you select yes, it is going to ask you how much is the size, and after selecting the size, it's going to ask you upload your contacts and all this stuff. And it's going to ask, it is asking you now, what do you offer or plan to offer? Okay, I am planning to offer blogging, video, photography, or something like that. I'm planning to offer services, especially the training services. Okay, so see, there is not going to be any impact if you're selecting all, or if you're selecting other, something like that. So basically, when you are trying to get into a platform, the platform is trying to understand, okay, what you are doing, how you are doing, and all the stuff, so that the platform can give you the personalized support for you. Okay, so tell us, where is you have set up your shop? Okay, so where can people access your offers? Another business website or e-commerce store, own website or e-commerce store. Okay, so I have my own website amudhakumar.com where I'm talking about all this. So I select this and continue, and they say, okay, want to stay in the loop with Mailchimp. Okay, so you will be receiving product updates, e-commerce newsletter. It's always a good idea to subscribe for the respective organization to product updates and all the stuff. The reason, because you will get the latest information and you will be regularly updated, okay, these products and services. Okay, so it says you are ready to go, so let me click on continue, and I think it takes some time. Okay, I clicked on continue. You are ready to go. I clicked on it, but it's taking a long time. I don't know. Okay, want to stay in the loop for the Mailchimp? Yes. I don't need courier. Okay, it's only delivered to inbox only. Anyway, Mailchimp presents. Again, let me click on continue. It is validating and it's not moving. So might be some temporary error. Okay. So gentlemen, so this is how we will be creating an account. So they have their goal plan. So I selected a free plan. I updated my profile. I updated my address, contact details. I customized it, and finally is a finish. Okay. Come on, man. I've done that, and it's not going on. Might be some technical issues. Okay, so let me give it a try. Mailchimp. So I'm just going on and trying to log in again. So see, in some situations like this, when I know we try to get into this one, I think my account is logged in. See, can you see? So I click on view dashboard. So remember, I created the account, it got stuck, but you know what? I just went to a new tab and opened, and I was trying to check out. Okay. Now you see I have an account with Mailchimp now. Okay. So this is all about creating account with Mailchimp. Okay. So after creating account, so Mailchimp is trying to understand, okay, what kind of website you have, what do you want to do. You have to add your contact and launch your contact and all the stuff. We'll be discussing about that in the upcoming sessions to come.